If your Telegram bot suddenly stops working, it can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on it for work, communication, or hobbies. In today's video, I'll walk you through all the steps you need to get your Telegram bot up and running again in 2024. By the end, you'll know how to diagnose whether the issue is with your desktop app or with the bot itself, and how to fix each one confidently. Let's jump straight in. First, let's tackle issues that happen inside the Telegram desktop app. Maybe your user interface is frozen, messages aren't sending, or things just seem totally stuck. The very first thing you should do is fully restart the app and ideally restart your PC. This isn't just about clicking the close button, make sure you quit Telegram completely. And if you're on Windows, opening up Task Manager is the best way to ensure every background process is shut down. Once that's done, restart your computer, which flushes out any minor glitches in the system memory and gives you a clean slate. You'd be surprised how often this simple step fixes weird, temporary problems. But what if Telegram is still acting up when you open it again? Here's a quick trick: try using Telegram Web in your browser, or if you have it, try the mobile app on your phone. If these versions work perfectly fine, it's a strong sign the problem is isolated to your desktop client, rather than a bigger issue with Telegram or your bot. Sometimes just switching to another device can let you keep working while you troubleshoot the main issue. Next, let's talk about cache and temporary data. Over time, small corrupted files can build up and start causing all kinds of unpredictable issues. To clear these out, make sure Telegram is fully closed, then head into Settings, go to Advanced, select Data and Storage, and then Storage Usage. Here you can clear the cache. If you can't even open Telegram to get to these settings, don't worry. On Windows, you can manually back up and then remove the folder called Telegram Desktop inside your %appdata% directory. It sounds technical, but just think of it as cleaning out a messy drawer. It's important to back up anything you might need before deleting. Sometimes the issue is even deeper: outdated graphics drivers. These can cause Telegram to freeze, not display everything correctly, or even crash when you open it. To address this, head to your GPU vendor's site, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. If you suspect graphics rendering is the cause but updating drivers doesn't help, try disabling hardware acceleration within Telegram's advanced settings. Don't worry if you're not familiar with these terms. Hardware acceleration simply refers to how your computer leverages its hardware to display things on the screen, and turning it off often helps with app stability. Another thing to check: your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes these protective programs get a little overzealous and block connections Telegram needs to run, or even prevent your bot from communicating properly. Try temporarily turning off your antivirus or firewall and see if the bots spring back to life. Just remember, do this briefly for testing and turn protection back on afterward. If none of those fixes work, your best bet is a clean reinstall. Uninstall Telegram from your system settings, delete any leftover user data folders, and then download the freshest version directly from the Telegram website. This ensures you're not pulling in any old, corrupted files or settings. Now let's shift gears and talk about issues within the bot itself. Firstly, make sure your bot script or application is actually running. Maybe the script crashed and it's sitting there quietly doing nothing, like a waiter asleep in the kitchen. Double-check your server or local host and relaunch the bot if needed. Next, check your bot token. A mismatched or corrupted token is one of the most common culprits. Go to BotFather in Telegram, generate a new token, and paste it carefully into your bot's configuration. Watch out for invisible spaces before or after the code. Those tiny mistakes can trigger big problems. Finally, run your bot's script and watch the logs or terminal output for errors. You might see clear error messages like uncaught exception or missing libraries. These details point directly to what needs fixing next. And there you go. With these steps, you should be well equipped to get your Telegram bot working again, whether the issue is on your desktop app or in the bot's own code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop any questions in the comments below, and subscribe for more solutions and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Telegram bot.